In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your website with Weebly in just 5 minutes. Whether you're launching your first site or just making some updates, Weebly provides an intuitive platform to make the process seamless. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your account. It's the gateway to accessing all the tools and features Weebly has to offer. Once you're in, your website dashboard will greet you with all the options you need to manage your site. From here, you'll want to navigate to your website's dashboard. Look for the option labeled Website and click on Edit Site. This is your control center for making any changes you desire. Now, you'll see a layout of your entire site. This is where the magic happens. Start by navigating to the page where you'd like to make changes. Whether it's your home page, an About page, or any other section, simply click to select it. Once you're on the right page, take note of the elements like text or images. Clicking on any of these elements will open up a world of editing options. With Weebly, editing becomes interactive. Click on a text box to change the wording or adjust an image by replacing it with one from your library or even a new upload. Over on the left sidebar, Weebly offers you even more creative control. Here, you can select new elements to add or rearrange existing ones to better suit your content flow and design preferences. Drag and drop features are your best friend in this part. They make altering layouts both fun and straightforward. Customization doesn't stop at placement. Dive into the appearance settings to truly make your site your own. Personalized color schemes, fonts, and styles are all at your fingertips, allowing you to tailor the look to match your brand's personality. Beyond aesthetics, there's some behind-the-scenes magic you can handle as well. By accessing the page settings, you can change the page title, URL, and even tweak your SEO settings. This step ensures your site is not only beautiful, but also discoverable online. Before wrapping up, it's always a good idea to check how your website looks across different devices. Weebly lets you toggle between a desktop and mobile view, ensuring your content is as appealing and functional on the go as it is on a computer screen. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the adjustments, head over to the Done button to save your changes. But don't stop there. Hit Publish to push your updates live. Now your site will reflect all the hard work you've just put in, ready to dazzle your visitors. And that's it. Simple, right? Following these steps will help you efficiently edit your website using Weebly, empowering you to make updates whenever inspiration strikes. Happy editing!